Well, I am finally back in the barn. Looks like the snow is melted. So finally, with no heater in here, it's 50 degrees. So a little bit of heater, get this place going. I got a lot of motors going on here. This one just came back from the machine shop for the second time. Had a little problem with the end. Don't want to talk about it, but hey, that's what it is. What it is, you know. Welcome to Engine Building 101. Well, this one, 2095. Found out that one side was just a little bit off, and it kept locking up. So we decided just to go 40 from the 20. This one just got back from the machine shop, and it is all ready, except I need to open it up. It's going to be a 2007, which is going to be for a 78. So I'm going to use a lot of the guidelines from the 86 stroke clearances, and we're going to clearance that. I've done that before for 74 and 76s, so it shouldn't be a problem. So there's two of them, and they're going to be all prepped and ready. Got a little bit of work in here to do with them. But before I get to them, I was finishing up these heads here. So these heads come in, I inspect them, and before spending all the money on everything, I get into checking for cracks and checking for the seats. And I have all my tools here. I hit them. I have my little tricks that I do to them. Seems to work with some of my customers, and you can tell it's all stock ports. And once it's gone through and everything checks out that the seats are good and it's all good to get the work done to them, then I come along here, and you can see this one here. Oh, a little shout out to the Dub Shot. Boom, boom. Love their templates. A little bit big for what I'm doing nowadays, but hey, there we go. What is this? This is a GVT 2, which seems to be really good for a stock casting. So love it, love it, love it. And as you can tell, we've spent some time and some love. We've got a lot of finishing up love to do. Put those in, checking all the measurements. I was going to put in the high rev single springs, but we decided we're going to have a little bit of fun. We got a secret sauce coming, cam, for this little motor. So because of the ports, what I'm doing on all these ports, this is going to get the dual springs. So we have the cutter coming in. So we're going to cut those down, put in the dual springs, measure them all out, do everything that needs to be done. And this one's not going to open up. Actually, no, this one will be opened up to the 90.5 because this is going to get the 88 thick walls. All right, so let's go upstairs and show you a couple other little projects we have going on here. Personal projects, charity projects, and here's a couple cases we have. This one came back with too many issues, so that one is going to be made into a display motor. So it's going to look pretty cool. I might even chop it all up and show how it works, but it's going to be all set up, probably a turbo system on it, but it won't be running. So that's going to be display engine. I have two of them here, and this is that Type 3. Can't tell you what they're going to be. That's going to be a secret size. I think this one here, yep, this is going to be the 1914 or 2054. I haven't figured out if I'm going to do the 74 in there or the 69. And then we got a couple other big ones coming on along here for the 2180. A lot of MSD. That's going to be thick wall. We have some 502s in here with 44-37.5s. They're all going to be upgraded with the 650 springs by Simpson Race Engines. So this is going to be a premium build for my 2180. One of those boxes, I have a brand new Autolinea case from Scat and all the Scat parts. A little bit of fun stuff here. Got some Scat 1.25s. Then I have some next level down forged 1.25s. Then I have some 1.4s for a couple of the mild builds on the bigger liters. Yeah, the K8s, all with the EDM home EDM holes and some K8s, and that's going to be for that 2180. And also we have another one going on I can't talk about. But there you go. Got some good stuff here. What do we have going on here? I think this is the 88 thick walls. Yep, 88 thick walls slip-ins, 85 case, 90.5 heads. So that's gonna be for a secret sauce motor I can't talk about. And it looks like we got another one here, but this is the 90.5. So that's gonna be for the 2007 with the 78 crank. So there we go. Got some builds going on here. It's warm outside, time to get going. Boom!